Minimalist front yard landscaping, achieving a contemporary and serene outdoor space. Minimalist front yard landscaping is a contemporary design trend that focuses on creating a simple and clean outdoor space with clean lines and a modern aesthetic. This type of landscaping not only enhances the curb appeal of your home, but also provides a low-maintenance and sustainable gardening solution. In this article, we will explore the key elements of minimalist front yard landscaping and discuss how to incorporate architectural features into your design. The beauty of minimalism. Minimalist front yard landscaping embraces the concept of less is more. By removing clutter and unnecessary elements, you can create a visually appealing outdoor space that exudes simplicity and elegance. The use of clean lines and geometric shapes adds a touch of modernity to your front yard, making it stand out in the neighborhood. Creating a simple landscape. To achieve a minimalist front yard, start by removing any excess vegetation or unnecessary objects. Focus on using a limited color palette, such as shades of green and white, to maintain a clean and cohesive look. Incorporate low-maintenance plants and ground covers that require minimal watering and pruning. Emphasizing clean lines. Clean lines are a hallmark of minimalist design. Incorporate linear pathways and borders in your front yard to create a sense of order and structure. Use materials like concrete, stone, or gravel to define these lines and add a touch of sophistication to your landscape. Maximizing outdoor space. A key aspect of minimalist front yard landscaping is maximizing the use of outdoor space. Consider incorporating functional elements like seating areas, fire pits, or water features into your design. This not only adds a practical aspect to your front yard, but also creates a welcoming and inviting atmosphere for you and your guests. Incorporating architectural features. Architectural features play a crucial role in minimalist front yard landscaping. Consider adding elements like sculptures, trellises, or modern fencing to enhance the visual interest of your outdoor space. These features not only add a unique touch, but also complement the clean and contemporary design aesthetic. Minimalist front yard landscaping offers a modern and sophisticated solution for creating a visually appealing outdoor space with low maintenance requirements. By focusing on clean lines, simple landscapes, and incorporating architectural features, you can achieve a minimalist design that enhances the curb appeal of your home. Embrace the beauty of simplicity and sustainability by incorporating minimalist principles into your front yard landscaping. In today's fast-paced world, many homeowners are opting for minimalist front yard landscaping to create a simple yet stylish outdoor space. With clean lines, a modern aesthetic, and a focus on low maintenance, this trend is gaining popularity for its ability to enhance curb appeal while providing a tranquil and sustainable garden. In this article, we will explore the key elements of minimalist front yard landscaping, from incorporating architectural features to implementing sustainable gardening practices. Embracing contemporary design. Minimalist front yard landscaping embraces contemporary design principles, which revolve around simplicity, functionality, and minimalism. By using a limited color palette and clean lines, homeowners can create a visually pleasing and cohesive outdoor space. Incorporating architectural features, such as geometric pathways or modern sculptures, can further enhance the overall appeal of the front yard. Creating a simple landscape. A key aspect of minimalist front yard landscaping is creating a simple and uncluttered landscape. This can be achieved by carefully selecting plants and materials that complement each other on the overall design. Opt for low-maintenance plants that require minimal watering and pruning, such as succulents, ornamental grasses, and evergreen shrubs. Avoid overcrowding the space and instead focus on creating a sense of openness and balance. Incorporating clean lines. Clean lines are a defining characteristic of minimalist front yard landscaping. Opt for straight-edged pathways, rectangular plant beds, and geometric shapes when designing your outdoor space. This creates a sense of order and simplicity, while also emphasizing the modern aesthetic. Consider using materials like concrete, gravel, or stone to define these clean lines and add visual interest to the landscape. Enhancing curb appeal. Minimalist front yard landscaping can significantly enhance the curb appeal of your home. By keeping the design simple and uncluttered, your front yard will exude a sense of sophistication and elegance. Pay attention to details such as neatly trimmed hedges, a well-maintained lawn, and strategically placed lighting fixtures to create an inviting and welcoming atmosphere for visitors. Embracing low maintenance. One of the greatest advantages of minimalist front yard landscaping is its focus on low maintenance. By selecting plants that require minimal care and using materials that are durable and long-lasting, homeowners can enjoy a beautiful outdoor space without the hassle of constant upkeep. Consider incorporating automated irrigation systems and native plants that are adapted to the local climate for an environmentally friendly and sustainable garden. Minimalist front yard landscaping offers homeowners the opportunity to create a visually stunning outdoor space that is both functional and low maintenance. By embracing contemporary design principles, incorporating clean lines, and utilizing architectural features, your front yard can become a showcase of modern aesthetics and sustainable gardening practices. Whether you live in an urban setting or a suburban neighborhood, minimalist front yard landscaping is a trend that can enhance the curb appeal of any home while providing a tranquil and inviting outdoor space. So, why wait? Start transforming your front yard today and enjoy the beauty and simplicity of minimalist landscaping.